Plant family. 5 genera and Gyrostemonaceae. Exploring the unique Gyrostemonaceae family. As an enthusiast of diverse plant families, I recently delved into the fascinating world of the Gyrostemonaceae family. This lesser-known family, primarily native to Australia, comprises 5 unique genera: Cotonocarpus, Cypsilocarpus, Gyrostemon, Tiersonia, and Walteranthus. Each of these genera presents distinct characteristics that make them intriguing subjects for study and cultivation. Join me as I explore the traits, habitats, and significance of these plants. Genera overview. Cotonocarpus. The Cotonocarpus genus is notable for its resilient nature. These shrubs and small trees thrive in arid environments, displaying adaptability that allows them to flourish in tough conditions. The most recognized species, Cotonocarpus cotoniifolius, features dense foliage and can reach heights of up to 5 meters. One aspect that captivates me about Cotonocarpus is its ornamental value. The leaves have a unique texture and a pleasing color, making them attractive additions to gardens and landscapes. Their ability to withstand drought is a significant advantage in regions prone to water scarcity. Cypsilocarpus. Cypsilocarpus may not be a household name, but it holds its own in the plant kingdom. This genus comprises small trees and shrubs, characterized by their woody stems and simple leaves. Cypsilocarpus gracilis, one of the prominent species, is particularly appealing due to its slender growth habit and lush foliage. In my experience, these plants have an understated beauty that makes them perfect for creating a serene garden atmosphere. They often thrive in sandy soils and can tolerate periods of drought, making them suitable for xeriscaping. I've found that incorporating Cypsilocarpus into my garden not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also promotes biodiversity. Gyrostemon. The Gyrostemon genus is where things get truly interesting. It comprises mostly perennial herbs and shrubs with a distinct spiral arrangement of leaves, which adds a unique visual element. A well-known species, Gyrostemon reticulatus, showcases beautiful yellow flowers that attract various pollinators. What I appreciate about Gyrostemon is its role in local ecosystems. These plants provide essential habitat and food sources for wildlife, particularly bees and butterflies. As I cultivate my garden, I prioritize planting species like Gyrostemon to support local pollinator populations. It's gratifying to see the impact these plants have on my environment. Tiersonia. Tiersonia is another intriguing genus within the Gyrostemonaceae family. Comprising shrubs with simple, opposite leaves, Tiersonia species are adapted to various habitats, from coastal areas to dry woodlands. Tiersonia arborea is one of the more recognizable species, growing into a tall shrub that can reach heights of up to 3 meters. I found Tiersonia to be particularly resilient, often flourishing in challenging conditions. Its adaptability makes it an excellent choice for gardeners in regions with variable climates. The leaves, which can turn a vibrant green in the right conditions, add a refreshing touch to any landscape. Walteranthus. Lastly, the Walteranthus genus rounds out the Gyrostemonaceae family. This group of small shrubs is characterized by its robust stems and simple, alternate leaves. The most notable species, Walteranthus jucundus, is known for its fragrant flowers that bloom in clusters. What draws me to Walteranthus is its aromatic qualities. The fragrance of the flowers is a delightful addition to any garden, making it a favorite among gardeners and horticulturists. Plus, the plant's compact size makes it ideal for smaller gardens or as an accent in larger landscapes. Cultivating Gyrostemonaceae. Growing plants from the Gyrostemonaceae family requires a few considerations. Most species prefer well-draining soil and ample sunlight. I've found that a sandy or loamy mix works best for their roots, ensuring they get the nutrients they need without becoming waterlogged. Additionally, these plants often thrive in xeric conditions, which means they can be excellent choices for drought-resistant landscaping. I've incorporated several species into my garden, appreciating their resilience and unique contributions to the overall landscape. Conclusion. The Gyrostemonaceae family, with its intriguing genera Cotonocarpus, Cypsilocarpus, Gyrostemon, Tiersonia, and Walteranthus, offers a treasure trove of opportunities for gardeners and plant enthusiasts like me. Each genus boasts distinct characteristics that contribute to the beauty and ecological health of our environments. As I continue to explore and cultivate these plants, I am reminded of the importance of biodiversity and the role each species plays in our ecosystems. Whether you're looking to enhance your garden's aesthetics or promote local wildlife, the Gyrostemonaceae family provides an excellent array of options. Embracing these plants in our gardens is not only beneficial for us, but also for the vibrant life forms that depend on them. So, if you're seeking a unique addition to your plant collection, consider the remarkable members of the Gyrostemonaceae family.